Hi guys, this video will show you how to download and install the latest Microsoft Office 2024 license for your computer so you can use Office for work as well as study. First, you download the Office deployment tool, open the web browser, and then copy links the website of the Office deployment tool. You put the link in the description of the video and paste it into your web browser. Press enter to get to the web page. The download page appears. You leave the default to English, then click on the download box to download. The machine will download it in your download folder. Next, you create an Office 2024 folder on your desktop. By right-clicking the space, selecting New, then choosing Footer, then renaming to Office 2024. Now you open the download folder, then click Select on File Office Deployment Tool. Right-click select Run as Administrator. When the notification appears, you select Yes. Then tick this box, then choose Continue. It will show you the search for storage drives, and then you can select the Office 2024 folder that was created on the desktop. And select OK. It will load the files back, a successful message will appear, and you will select OK. Next, you open the Office 2024 folder, which contains the files. You select the top 3 files and delete them. Then click on the other file, right-click, then select Edit in Notepad. It will open a Notepad file. You leave the default, then copy link Web Office 2024, preview yourself in the description section of the video. Open a new web tab and paste it, then press enter to enter that page. On this page, you drag down to find the code. Then select the copy button for the copy. Then go back to the previously opened Notepad page. You press Ctrl+A to select all, then delete all. Next, you push Ctrl+V to paste the code. There are lines of code. If you want to install all of the Office, Visio, and Project, not delete them, only install Office, then you delete this code. Then you go back to the copy code site. You find the Active Office LTSC preview, then you select Active Office Copy, you blacklist, and then you choose Ctrl+C, then back to the Notepad file, select the elevators, and press C Ctrl+V to paste the active code. Similar to the Visio item, the project you do is the same if you don't delete it. Next, you select the file item, then select Save as it appears in the file folder Save with a different name. Then, you delete all the leftovers from configuration.xml. And choose Save to save. When you're done with those steps, you close it. Then delete the old file and leave it back. After it's done, you go back to the Office 2024 folder, click Select, then choose Copy or Cut to move to the C drive. You open the C drive folder, then paste it. After you have the Office 2024 folder in the C drive, you open it, then click the folder path, click Select, and press Ctrl+C to close. Next, to install Office 2024, you type the word CMD in the Windows sync box, show the command port, click the right mouse, click on Run as Administrator, and display the message you choose. Yes, in the command port version, you enter the CD and press Ctrl+V to paste the previous copy path. Then press Enter. Once you've entered the Office 2024 folder, you go back to the 2024 preview website and find the setup.exe selects copy, then returns to the comment port and presses Ctrl+V to paste. And press Enter. Then Office 2024 will be installed. If you're having a problem with having other copies, you need to remove the copies or, in Office 365, reset the machine. Then re-enter the installation command. Installation time is approximately 10 minutes. If you wait for the software to be installed during the installation process, do not turn it off. When the installation is completed, you select Close to close. To open Office apps, you can use Word, Excel, or PowerPoint on the window drive. When you open the application, check the Account section to see if the software is not activated. To activate the software, you go back to the Office 2024 preview page, you find the Use Mac to activate, then copy the Office activation code, then you return to the software, then click on the Change Product Key, the Enter Product Key window appears, you paste the activation codes in, then select the active Office box, and then the software has been activated. You can use all the applications of the software. After the installation, you can delete the Office 2024 folder outside the desktop, but if you do not delete it on the C drive, it will cause an activation error. So I taught you how to install Office and activate it. If you see it, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel to support us. Hello, and see you again.